I accidentally bought really shallow silicone molds and could not fill them up with hot glue or resin because they were just too shallow and intricate. Let me show you what does work with these molds so you can make beautiful lace-like moldings such as these. They are flexible and can be glued on any project without being overwhelming like thicker moldings can be. Welcome to my cozy nest. To make my moldings, I will not be using hot glue, clay or resin. Clay is not flexible and the moldings would break when I would take them out. Hot glue and resin would make a mess because the mold is so shallow and detailed. I ordered some flexible relief paste from Cadence. I will put a link in the description. Make sure you're working with a flexible paste, the flexible bit being key here. Otherwise, the moldings will crack once you take them out. This paste reminds me of chocolate mousse. I spread it with an old card. You can also use a putty knife or another tool. It is important to push it down into the grooves and then spread it across the mold. Take your time and make sure all the details are filled with paste. Also, remove excess paste from the top of the mold by scraping it off. This will make the molding a lot cleaner once it is done. The beauty of this medium is that you do not have any scrap material. The excess paste goes right back into the container and can be used for another project. I made 10 of these moldings and I was still left with about a third of the container. The cost of this paste is around $6 where I shop. This paste dries for about 12 hours, so I was able to do one molding in the morning and one in the evening. The paste is now dry and I can take out the molding. It is flexible, but it has its limits. It does not like to be stretched too much. When taking out the molding, go slowly and help the molding out if it gets stuck. You will notice there are a few imperfections with this molding, a transparent film stuck on some of the areas that I later on trimmed with my fingernails. I will show you how you can prevent this. Even so, the molding is beautiful. This is another molding made with the same paste in gold. The previous were champagne. Here you can see the thin film of paste on top of the mold that can stick to the molding. This is now dry, so I take out a dry baby wipe. All my wet baby wipes are dry because I don't use them that often. And I soak it with rubbing alcohol. Then I gently wipe the mold. Here you can see the difference close up. I clean the rest of the mold and after I take it out, the molding is ready for use. No additional trimming needed. Just imagine all the projects you could use this. On a cover of a journal, on a wall art, Christmas baubles, furniture. The sky is the limit. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions. I will see you soon.